Do V-necks always need to be preppy? Here's 3 ways to give them some edge. The most timeless way of wearing a V-neck jumper is with a crew neck underneath. So I've just gone for a very simple white t-shirt here from Sunspell. The V-neck is a cream and linen blend knit from Japanese brand Aton. Nice and lightweight, feels quite airy. It's the perfect spring piece. And I've decided to pair it with this cotton jacket from Captain Sunshine, these A Goldie wide leg blue jeans, and then a woven belt from Charvet, finally with these J.M. Weston derbies. This is a silk and cashmere blend V-neck jumper from Auralie. It's mint green colour, feels a little bit more sporty, so I've kind of lent into that to then pair it with Dries Van Noten trainers, adding a little bit of contrast by pairing it with a pair of Oliver Spencer formal trousers. The jumper is quite lightweight. The cashmere and silk blend make it super soft, and I've decided to lean into this by actually not wearing anything underneath. Really good opportunity to highlight any jewellery, necklaces and pieces like that you might be wearing. Nice simple way of wearing a lightweight piece but also feeling elevated at the same time. For me, the most elevated way of wearing a V-neck is with a shirt underneath. The V-neck I've gone for this time is a grey cashmere V-neck from Officine Generale. It's got a little bit of a lower cut here than what I've been wearing previously. It gets to show off a little bit more the kind of collar details on your shirt. The jumper is a little bit longer in the body than what I would have liked, but I really like the kind of width across my shoulders here. But in order to kind of get around that, I've done a small little side tuck on the side here, which I think still allows the jumper to sort of fold over in a really nice, relaxed way. I've styled the jumper with a Our Legacy shirt underneath. I think that the texture is really nice, sort of play against the grey marl of the jumper, and then I've gone for an MF Pen service pleated trouser. Finally, finishing off with Our Legacy camion boots.